Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily Bitcoin update. Today is something special I will show you soon, but now here is the fear and greed crypto market, and you can see we are still in greed. 70 points of greed here. Yesterday 73 points, last week 74 points, and last month 68 points of greed in the market. Here is coinmarketcap.com. What's going on here? Everything is green. Look at this nice picture on the daily. Everything is green. Bitcoin is green. It's going up with 2.78%. On the 7 days, it's going down a little bit with 2.2%, but on the day, a nice pump. Ethereum is going up with 4% on the day, 4.6% on the week. Binance coin is going up very nice, 6.78%. And on the week, 23%. And guys, I told you on my video, it's a long time ago, $440 is our big target for Binance coin. And look at this, we are now at $430. I told you also, the big target for Ethereum is 2,600. Momently, we are on 2,100 on a good way to the upside. XRP, $1 momently, a good plus in the daily, 6.89%. And look at the weekly, 75% in the plus. Very nice. ADA is going on a little bit on the day, 1.6. On the week, it's going down a little bit with 0.5. DOT is going up a little bit with 2.2%. On the week, 8% in the plus. Uniswap also nice in the plus. Litecoin in the plus. Chainlink in the plus. Bitcoin Cash is going up. Stellar XLM is going up. Filecoin is going up. In the week, it's going down a little bit, but on the day, 12% pump. Tron is going sideways, but on the week, 33% in the plus. So, and so on, guys. Very nice chart picture here, 24 hours. Who is the biggest winner for today? It's KuCoin token with 34% in the plus. Engine Coin, 25% in the plus. And Waves, 25% in the plus. These are the biggest winner of 24 hours. What's the biggest loser? It's Dent, momently with 4%. Look at this, only minus 4%. Harmony, only minus 3%. And Holo Hot, only minus 2.3%. So guys, let's check this. Here's the quick overview for Tradingview. Everything is telling us buy that Bitcoin on 1 day time frame, but the oscillators are telling us sell. 4 hours, buy, strong buy, and the buy for Bitcoin. 1 hour, strong buy, and neutral oscillators, and 15 minutes, buy and strong buy for Bitcoin. So all in all, it's telling us very nice, we can buy Bitcoin. Very important. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So look at this here, guys. This is the total market cap of crypto. You can see here on the upper right side, 1.928 trillion US dollar. This is all crypto together, the market cap. And guys, that's very interesting why I'm showing you this. I would like to show you something. This is the daily time frame, and this is the daily chart. Every candle is 1 day. And I would like to show you something here that's very, very important. We have trend lines from the downline to the downside to the upside, like this here. And we have also a trend line from this point to this here. And you can see we are forming a rising wedge here. And that's normally a bearish pattern. And we have to stay attention, guys. Momently, it's looking about this. We have our 2 trillion target here, and we have a big fat line on 2 trillion. I can show you this line here from here to here. This is momently our big resistance. And we have to fight against this resistance with the total market cap, all cryptos together. I think normally 9,000 cryptos, or I don't know how much cryptos there are, but all cryptos together, this is the total market cap. And we have this resistance to beat 2 trillions. That's the highest point ever. And yes, that's a very important point. And we are building here this rising wedge, and we have to stay attention. It's possible to go on here like this, retest here like this, like this, like this, and then maybe to the downside, guys. We have to watch this. That's very important here. So that's the big thing about the total market cap. The MACD for the total market cap is bullish. You can see the blue line here is over the brown line. That's a bullish thing for this moment. The ribbon band is here also a support. You can see it here on the total market cap. It's a very nice working support. And the MA21 is also a very nice support. So as long as we are with the total market cap over these supports, everything is fine. As long as we are in this rising wedge, everything is fine. This is just a quick overview for all cryptos, guys. So let's go deeper now. For the first, this is my Bitcoin trading informant live stream. It's streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can see here all information you need. You have here the 50-minute chart, the 1-hour chart, buy and sell signals, long and short signals, ribbon band, MACD, a lot of things, guys. Please join my channel, Bitcoin Trading Informant, live on YouTube and live on Twitch. Very nice community here. The boss of my channel is Cromlange. Greetings to my big boss of the channel. So now, guys, let's close this and let's go into Bitcoin. This was my last picture from the last chart I drew here. And you can see here, this is the 1-hour chart. And this is the first thing we have to watch here. We had a downgoing parallel channel. I say it is the handle of our cup and handle. I will show you. And we had a breakout from this handle. Very, very nice. You can see it. We break out to the upside with a long position since here. We broke over this EMA 200. You can see it here. We retested it and now bam to the upside. Very nice. EMA 200 is here on the downside as a support. Also the MA21 is a support and the ribbon band now is also a support. That's very, very bullish now, guys, for this breakout of this handle. Yes, for sure. I showed you something, guys. I showed you we have more targets to watch. This is a triangle pattern. You see these red lines here, and you can see momentarily we are in this triangle. The big thing we have to watch is this point, 59,000. Because if we can break out this triangle to the upside, we have an extreme nice target to the upside, 74,000. If we will break it down to the downside, we have a bad target about 40,000. That's the big picture I'm showing you. That's for the first, guys. So now the next thing is this. Let's remove the drawings. Let's turn off this and the EMA ribbon. You can see on the downside, on the 1-hour chart, our MACD is momently bearish, but the blue line is now possible. It's possible now for the blue line to cross the brown line. That would be a bullish thing here. And yes, we are still in our very, very nice cup and handle pattern. It's still active, guys. I showed you this on so much videos here. From this side to this side and to the downside. This is our coffee cup, our cup pattern, and I showed you we are building momently this handle. And yes, it's working very, very nice here. This is the handle from here to here. And I showed you guys, as long as we are in this parallel channel, everything is fine, everything is okay. We need to stay in our retracement of this pattern over the 50 cent. Over the 50% retracement. And yes, you can see it here. This was the spike to the downside, a very nice rebuy point, and we are still over the 50%, over 55,200, and that's very nice. Now it's very, 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 very important to watch this, what's going on now on the 1-hour chart with this point here. We need to fight over this downtrend now. That's the important thing for the 1-hour chart, and you can see it here. This is now the important thing. We need to fight to this one here, maybe down again, retest it, down again, retest it, and bam, we need a breakout to the upside to our next big target. That's 60,000. 60,000 is the next big target on this Fibonacci line here. You can see it. This is the big thing we have to break if we can move on. That's the biggest resistance momently, and we have to break that. That's the 1-hour chart, and that's the quick overview for the 1-hour chart. Of course, guys, I showed you something special here. On the 4-hour chart, we may see it. Yes, here it is. On the 4-hour chart, we may forming now this shoulder, head, shoulder, and that's it's frightening me a little bit because this is maybe a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. And you know it, guys, a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern is a bearish pattern with a possible outbreak to the downside. This is our super support line momently. It's holding. And if we break down this shoulder, head, shoulder, I showed you this target here on my videos. We have to watch this for a possible breakdown here. This is our target, also 40,000. So you can see, guys, if you're breaking down, if it's a triangle, 40,000 is the target. If it's breaking down for shoulder head shoulder, 40,000 is the target. So the big target to the downside is momently 40,000. We have to watch this, guys. Very important. What's going on with the EMA? And this is a hard fight for the moment. You can see here a short position, a red ribbon band, a long position here, a green ribbon band, now again a red ribbon band and a short position. We are over the ribbon band, and maybe we see next year a trend, a new trend, that we see a long position and a green ribbon band because of this nice breakout on the 4-hour chart. But it's so hard momently to fight this. Here also you can see this line. This is the biggest resistance for the moment. We have to fight it, you know it. And yes, I showed you the target here for this 59,500. This is the big thing we have to watch. The MACD is bullish momently. The blue line is over the brown line. It's coming straight to the high here. It's very bullish. Nice. What's going on with the MA21? MA21 also momently on the 4-hour chart. Very nice here as a nice support here. And we bounced over it. Very nice. We broke over the MA21, retested it, and now we are breaking up to the upside. Very nice for the moment, guys. On the 1-day chart, we have a ribbon band, and the ribbon band is also a support. Also nice. MA21, very nice support. You can see it here perfectly. We are now over this. MACD is bearish for the 1-hour chart. You can see the blue line is under the brown line. So this is not the best thing. Momently, we need to stay, we need to watch this, guys. So, okay, that's the big thing. That's the big picture. We can draw some other lines here from here to here, like this one also, or this line here from here to here also. So that's also a rising wedge momently, and that's also a possible pattern. But guys, it's not so important if it is a rising wedge, a triangle, or a shoulder head shoulder. We have the clear breakout points, we have the clear break up points, and we need, or we know what we have to do now, guys. That's very important. So that's the big overview for Bitcoin for the day. Nothing changed here. Everything is still accurate. This shoulder head shoulder pattern may play out to the downside. This rising wedge may play out to the downside, but still here, this little triangle may break out to the upside, and this would be a very nice trade to the upside. Also, this cup and handle is momently a possible pattern. We have to watch this, guys. Guys, that's it. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, and I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye bye.